Your cat understands money better than you. Not because it's smarter, but because it follows rules you ignore every single day. Think about it. Your cat doesn't chase everything that moves. It doesn't waste energy trying to impress anyone. And it definitely doesn't follow the crowd. It observes. It stays still, sometimes for a long time. Watching, waiting, calculating. And then, when the moment is right, it acts. Fast, precise, no hesitation. Now look at how most people deal with money. They chase everything. Every trend. Every opportunity. Every new way to get rich quickly. Crypto today, drop shipping tomorrow, something else next week. And because of that, they never master anything. They stay busy, but they never move forward. This is the first lesson your cat understands better than you. Focus. Cats don't try to do everything. They pick one target and they lock in. In money, this is everything. Because success doesn't come from doing more. It comes from doing the right thing long enough. But most people can't do that. They get distracted too easily. They want results fast, so they jump from one thing to another. And in the end, they stay broke. Now here's the second lesson. Patience. Your cat can wait for the perfect moment. Minutes, sometimes hours, without moving. Not because it's lazy, but because it knows something most people don't. Timing matters. In finance, timing can be the difference between profit and loss. But people hate waiting. They want action all the time. They feel like if they're not doing something, they're falling behind. So they rush decisions. They invest too early. They sell too late. They panic when things go wrong. And that's how they lose money. Cats don't panic. They stay calm. And that's the third lesson. Emotional control. Watch your cat. No stress. No overreaction. No emotional decisions. Just calm, controlled behavior. Now think about people and money. Fear makes them sell at the worst time. Greed makes them take stupid risks. Excitement makes them follow hype. They don't lose because they're dumb. They lose because they can't control themselves. But your cat? It never loses control. And that's why, in a strange way, it would probably be better at investing than most people. Now here's something even deeper. Independence. Cats don't follow others. They don't look around and say, "What is everyone else doing?" They move alone. Confident. Independent. But most people, they copy. They follow trends. They follow influencers. They follow the crowd. And in finance, the crowd is usually wrong. By the time everyone is talking about something, it's already too late. Smart money moves before the crowd, just like a cat moves before anyone even notices. Now let's talk about energy. Cats don't waste it. They don't run around all day doing random things. They rest a lot. And when they move, it's for a reason. That's something most people completely ignore. They think being busy means being productive. But being busy is not the same as making progress. You can work all day and still go nowhere. You can try 10 different things and fail at all of them. Or you can focus your energy on one thing that actually matters. That's leverage. Doing less, but getting more. And that's how wealth is built. Not by doing everything, but by doing the right things at the right time with the right focus. So if you feel stuck right now, if you feel like you're working hard, but not getting results, maybe the problem isn't your effort. Maybe the problem is your approach. You're chasing instead of choosing. You're rushing instead of waiting. You're reacting instead of controlling. Your cat doesn't do that. And maybe that's why it's winning in its own way, while you're still trying to figure things out. So next time you think about money, don't think like everyone else. Think like a cat. Be calm. Be focused. Be patient. Be precise. Because that's how real wealth is built. Follow me if you want to stop playing the game randomly and start playing it smart.